Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check in at a Delta Airlines kiosk and get your boarding pass printed. This is a fast and convenient way to skip the counter lines at the airport and handle your entire check-in process yourself using the self-service terminals that Delta provides near their check-in counters. First, when you arrive at the airport, you'll want to locate the Delta kiosks. These are usually positioned near the main check-in counters and are easy to spot. They're self-service terminals designed to make the check-in process quick and efficient. Once you've found one, walk up to it and tap the screen to begin. You may also see language options at the bottom of the screen, so if you prefer a different language, select it now before proceeding. After the screen activates, you'll see the main menu appear. Look for the option that says Check-in or Airport Check-in and tap on it. This will launch the check-in process. Now the kiosk will ask you to verify your identity and booking. You can do this in several ways. You can enter your confirmation number manually, or you can scan your credit card, SkyMiles card, or a government-issued ID. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Next, the kiosk will prompt you to scan your government-issued ID or passport. This step is required for security purposes and to confirm your identity before printing your boarding pass. Place your ID flat on the scanner when instructed and wait for it to process. Once that's done, the kiosk will display your flight details and passenger information on the screen. Take a moment to verify that everything is correct, including your name, flight number, departure time, and destination. If seat selection is available, the kiosk will now show you a seat map. You can choose your seat at this stage if you haven't already done so during online check-in. Simply tap on an available seat that suits your preference. After confirming your seat, the kiosk will prepare to print your boarding pass. When it prints, take it from the printer slot and keep it safe. You'll need it to go through security and board the plane. If you have luggage to check, the next steps are for you. The kiosk will prompt you to tag your bags. Place your bag on the scale next to the kiosk and follow the on-screen instructions. The kiosk will print baggage tags based on the weight and destination of your luggage. Once the tags print, attach them securely to each bag you're checking. Make sure they're fastened tightly so they don't fall off during handling. After tagging your bags, you'll need to drop them off at the designated bag drop area. This is usually nearby and staffed by Delta personnel who will take your tagged luggage and send it on its way. Once your bags are dropped off, return to the kiosk if needed and click Finish to complete the process. You're now all set to head to security and proceed to your gate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.